Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to do a Christmas eye makeup look. So I'm going to take Inside concealer and I'm going to apply it as a base on my eyelids. I'm going to dab it out with the damp beauty blender so that it blends up properly on my eyelid. After this, I'm going to take a maroonish shade and I'm going to just blend it out in my crease line. See to that you are using the brush in circular motions and even the straight left and right motion. After this, I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush and I'm going to just ease out the edges on top, as you can see that I am doing. After this, I'm going to take a blue eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it on the outer corner of my eyelid and blend it with a brush. See to that you are blending the shades properly. After that, I'm going to take the same dark blue color and apply it on the outer corner of my lid. Now I'm going to be cutting the crease, and see to that you are cutting the crease precisely and then dabbing it with your finger. Now I'm going to apply a white shimmer shade in the inner corner of my eyelid and a blue shade in the middle. It is like a shimmer shade. Now I'm going to apply mascara and eyeliner. I did darken out all the colors in the end of the look, and here is the full look. So guys, do tell me in the comment section how did y'all like this look. Do like, subscribe and share the video as much as y'all can. This you can wear for any Christmas party or Christmas Eve, and do try it out. Do let me know, do tag me. And that's all. Stay fabulous people. Bye bye.